Welcome to all of you, my online class, Darbhanga Live Classes. Today again, I'm here with a new question of standard 10th chapter name, two variable equation of exercise 3.5, their question number 2 of 2. So let's go to see what question is going to be said and accordingly we will solve. Question is saying that for which value of k will be the following pair of linear equation have no solution. Keep in your mind there will be no solution. So already in the first question of this question number 2, which I am going to mention their link in the description box, you will see that where already I have mentioned that the equation which is going to be formed, and in which case there is equation will have many solution, in which case there is equation will have no solution, and in which case there is equation will have infinite many solutions. I mean all those things I have taught there. So there is given already. So suppose that there is a two equation is there. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So what happened when a1 is equal to a2 is equal to b1 is equal to b2, but what happened b1 is equal to b2, but if it will be not there c1 is equal to c2, it will have no solution. In this case there is no solution is going to be. So when the two equation is going to be formed, and in this case this kind of situation is going to be occurred, we can say easily there will be a solution or there will be not a solution. So already we know these things are there. When the equation is going to be, and if it is going to be lies in this form, you can come to know when two equation will be in the form of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not is equal to c1 by c2, then it will have no solution, which we are supposed to be solved. So let's go to do that now. Same here, already is given here. You can see here now the equation is 3x plus y is equal to 1 is given. So from here what you can take here now, a1 is equal to 3, okay, b1 is equal to, because the coefficient of y is nothing, so it will be 1, and c1 is equal to 1. Okay, now similarly by the second thing you can see the equation which is going to be given, that is 2k minus 1 into x, okay, and plus k minus 1 plus k minus 1 into y, and there is given is equal to 2k plus 1. So what you can write here now? Here you can write like a1 is given, so you can write now a2 will be what? What will be the a2? Here a2 is given, that you can write here now, a2 is given 2k minus 1, b2 is given k minus 1, and c2 is given, that is 2k plus 1. This is all is given. So now as you know, this is only possible when we are going to put this equation at the formula. So when the formula is, what formula I used to say, that is if a1, okay, by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not is equal to c1 by c2, then it will have no solution. So let's go to put this all the value whatever we have. A1 equation is given what? A1 value is given here now 3, by A2 is given what? 2k minus 1, which is given. Similarly B1 value is given, what will value of B1 is? So you can see now what value of B1 is given. The B1 value is given 1, and what will is the value of B2 is given? B2 value is given k minus 1. That should not be equal to what? C1 by C2. the C1 is given 1 and C2 is given 2k minus 2k plus 1. Now we will do the same here. We will do the cross multiplication between these two. So what will be the cross multiplication used to? By 3 will multiply 3 into k minus 1, and by 1 you will multiply 1 into 2k minus 1. Will it be like that? Yes. So now you can do the same here now. 3 is going to multiply, it will be 3k, and by 3 you will multiply by minus 1, it will be minus 3, and by 1 you will multiply 2k, it will be remain 2k and minus 1. Now these two will come aside. The 3k will remain this side. If 2k will come left side, it will be minus 2k, and minus 1 is already there. When the 3 minus 3 it will come this side, it will be plus 3. Similarly, you can do here. You can see the value here now. What happened? 3k minus 2k, it will be only k, right? Is equal to minus 1 plus 3. The plus minus minus should be 3 minus 2, it will be 2. So this will be your answer of the value, where this solution will no any solution. So I hope you might have understood this one question. I hope you have understood each and everything which I have taught you. If you have any doubt, any problem, you must you contact with me. And if you like my video, you must share, you must subscribe, and you please like this video.